Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis quite a few times before, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But a whole lot of updates here need to be made after yet another solid move for the price. So the first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart, but they're not relevant anymore. So from a presentation standpoint of not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, however, is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that maybe remember the last analysis I did and me talking about $9 as resistance, now that the price is above it, this would be an area that you'd ideally like to see act as support. A near-term area of support, and I would definitely call this the ideal area of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above 965, that would make the chart look crazy strong, but by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 965 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all. That's just that ideal level. And then again, from the big picture perspective, and as far as I'm concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that in your mind. But the nice thing about these big moves, though, is that it just creates support levels all over the place. So quite a few of them that you can see. But like I said, again, 965, crazy strong if the price can maintain above that one. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards price movement is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to, I don't know, we might have to go to another time frame to make it easier to see. Yep, going to have to go to the daily time frame. A good problem to have. Oh, wow. We may even have to go to a weekly time frame. The price has not been up. Yeah, let's, actually, we'll just, nope. This is what I get for doing these on the fly. There we go. Again, for the people that are long, this is a very good problem to have when you have to go back this far in a chart's history, because the price, and it's just telling us the price has not been up this high for a very long time. So next key overall area of resistance, I'm going to call up there at about $10.80, and also keep an eye on the 200-week simple moving average, which is, sloping downwards like this. But all in all, from the big grand scheme of things, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of putting in these higher bases, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing for the past several months. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.